Hey guys, I am not feeling well at all today, so I did my makeup because I was hoping that I would be going out, but I don't think I'm going to go out and do anything today. I'm just going to wipe it all off and then go sit outside in the sun for a little bit because I'm not feeling well. So yeah, bye! Hey guys, so I'm just sitting out in the sun now, and yeah, it's really nice. Oh, there's a bee! Don't move, don't move, don't move. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye. Do you reckon this is nice? You can kind of see me. Should I get it?
It's a big. You can get something smaller.
It's only $49.
Take a photo of the thing.
Do you reckon I should get it? Is that nice, bigger?
Yeah, it's best.
I think, should I get this? What do you reckon? I feel like this is gonna get, I don't know, what do you reckon?
Look at next stuff.
Makes
That would
sense.
have perfected it before
Because you're a perfectionist.
I filmed it.
But Henna, would you be keen to do my makeup?
No.
Like if I give you like a whole heap of products and you just have to like figure out where it goes and stuff, like I don't tell you anything, you just have to like do it? Why is it?
I don't want to do that.
Why not?
Why?
Because it's funny. Come on,
Oh, maybe.
we'll do it next. Look, snakes. Should bring your mum here. She'll be like, oh my god, come here ever again.
Oh, come on, just run in there.
Such a nice day.
Yum.
Try it and tell me what it tastes like. Will you do it on video for me?
Oh, really? I don't want to drink from your straw.
That's okay. Yeah, I don't want you getting sick either. What does it taste like?
That's really yummy.
Yeah? Fruit
Orange,
salad. Yeah, orange, watermelon and apple. And then that's lemon lime bitter cheesecake.
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu.
Ale watermelon, tylko że jest tego.
That's from orange.
Jest.
It's yum.